Not too long ago, if you wanted to fit a UHF to your four-wheel drive, somehow you had to get these monsters into your dash. Nowadays, UHFs are more compact than ever. This Oricom UHF 300 is only 100mm wide and 84mm deep, so you can fit it practically anywhere. I've fitted mine here, but I reckon if it wasn't turned on, I wouldn't even know it was there. And check this out, no matter where you install it, you can flip the display so you can read it the right way up. Once the UHF 300 is installed, you can choose from 7 backlit colours, so you can set them to match the rest of your dash so it will almost look standard. They also have, of course, 5 watts of power, just like units twice the size. They also come with automatic level controllers, so you've always got consistent audio. Have a listen to this.
Hey Graham, can I get a radio check?
These little beauties come with a 5-year warranty, so you know that Oricom really do back their product. Just think of how much space you're going to save on your dash with one of these 300 UHF CB radios from Oricom.